Are you struggling to color mesh edges in MeshLab? You're not alone. Many users face this challenge when trying to visualize their mesh outputs. Today, we're going to explore how to tackle this issue together. I totally get it. You've spent hours working on an algorithm, and now you want to visualize the results effectively. It can be incredibly frustrating when the tools you rely on don't seem to support what you need. You're definitely not the only one feeling this way. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked how to color some edges of a mesh differently in MeshLab. They mentioned that while they can color vertices, the edges end up blending colors, which is not what they intended. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So what's going on here? MeshLab does support edge coloring, but it can be tricky to implement. The blending you're seeing is likely due to how colors are assigned to vertices and edges. Let's break this down step by step. And stick around. I'll share a workaround that can help you achieve the desired edge coloring without diving deep into coding or spending hours searching for solutions. To begin coloring the edges of the mesh in MeshLab, the user should first ensure that they have the correct mesh file format. Formats like .ply or .obj are suitable for this task. Next, the user needs to load the mesh into MeshLab. This can be done by selecting File from the menu and then choosing Import Mesh. Once the mesh is loaded, the user should navigate to the Render menu. Here, they will find an option called Show Vertex Color. This will allow the mesh to display colors assigned to the vertices. Now, to color the edges differently, the user can use the Filters menu. They should select Color Creation and then Color by Vertex Quality. This allows for more control over how edges are colored based on vertex attributes. Finally, the user can export the mesh with the new edge colors. They should go back to the File menu and select Export Mesh As. This will save the mesh with the applied colors. Fun fact, did you know that the first 3D models were created in the 1960s? Just imagine how far we've come since then. Now we can color edges in ways that were once unimaginable. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative approach to coloring mesh edges in MeshLab is to enable wireframe rendering. This allows you to select a custom color for all edges or use vertex and face colors. However, it's important to note that MeshLab does not support specific edge color attributes, as common mesh formats like OBJ and OFF do not store edge attributes. The user suggests that a potential solution would be to create a custom OpenGL renderer that draws lines instead of triangles, assigning edge colors by repeating vertices for each edge. Here's a quick tip. Always double-check your export settings and file format compatibility. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line when working with edge colors. And there you have it. You should now have a clearer path to coloring your mesh edges in MeshLab. Remember, experimenting with different settings can lead to great results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.